Hello there, YouTube. I'm going to show you how to do the loudest noise and most annoying noise, too. You moist your lips, right? And you grab below. And you just breathe in. See? There's the hole there. See? There's when you breathe in, the noise makes by a tiny hole that's right there. So subscribe down below, or at least like the video.